right. Hello, everybody. This is going to be our math lesson for Wednesday, September 9th, 2020. Yesterday we talked about, oh, yesterday we talked about um, relating facts and how um, you can use addition facts to solve your subtraction facts. And you can do the opposite. You can use subtraction facts to solve your addition facts. Computer is being slow again. It was yesterday. While we're waiting, you can go ahead and get out your um, math book and your um, whiteboard to have next to you. Sorry, I had it up and I must have deleted it out. Just take us a few minutes to get there. It's being a little faster now. All right. All right, here we go. Today we're going to talk about missing addends. Remember, addends are two digits that we use to add together. So two digits we combine to get us a sum. So we want to know, how can we solve problems that has one of those addends missing? One of those addends missing. So again, what strategies can I use to add and subtract? So we talked about yesterday how we can use related facts. Related facts, those that are connected to each other. There's three digits that can make an addition problem and a subtraction problem. We're going to keep thinking about all those different strategies that we're using. So our video here.
A missing addend. Let's listen in to Matthew Can Do. I know 9 is one of the addends. The other addend is missing. 9 plus some addend equals 15. You can use a related subtraction fact to help find the missing addend. Now let's think what 15 minus 9 equals. It's 6. So 9 plus 6 equals 15. We can check our answer by drawing more circles on our domino. We think our missing addend is 6, so let's draw 6 circles on the right side of our domino. Now we can count on from 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 9 plus 6 equals 15. So 6 is the missing addend. Now let's try another problem. 8 plus some addend equals 14. Think which subtraction fact will help find the missing addend. 14 minus 8 equals 6. So the missing addend is 6. Now let's check our answer with a domino. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Great job. 8 plus 6 equals 14, and 14 minus 8 equals 6.
So we're going to keep talking about our related facts. We keep talking about our related facts. Now, this is your entrance ticket for the day. So it's on that entrance ticket. It's under Wednesday 9/9/20 classroom resources. It's on there. Make sure you fill that out. And then with whoever's next to you, talk about how do you find the missing add-in in 5 plus blank equals 13. What would you go through? What strategies would you think of? And you don't have to do the one that the video just said, but what in your head would you do? We always talk about start with what you know. So what do you know about these problems and what are you trying to figure out? How would you attack it? So talk to the person next to you. Take a couple minutes. Excuse me. Talk to the person next to you and also ask that person, how would they solve it? They might solve it a different way, which is great because there's lots of different ways to solve math problems. All right, so Danny has 11 bath toys. She is using 6 of the toys in the bath. How many toys is she not using? Use objects to solve and complete the number sentence. So, oops. Whoa, hold on a second. I don't want that. There we go. Okay. So they had 11 objects total. Make sure you're doing this with me. They have 11 objects total. I'm not trying to do a 10 frame because that's easy for me. So they have 11 objects total. I'll put it right next to each other so I don't waste too much room. And it says they use 6 of them. How many do they have left? Well, 4 plus 1 is 5. So the addition sentence would be 6 plus 5 equals 11. The addition sentence would be 6 plus 5 equals 11. All right, it says Pyra makes 12 cupcakes. She needs 18 in all for her classmates. How many more cupcakes does Myra need to make for her classmates? So we're going to take up what we know. We're going to start for a number sentence. So we have 12. And now I have 12, and I need some more, and I have to get to 18. I have to get to 18. I don't know what this number is. I don't know what this number is. So I need to think of, remember there's 3 numbers that create an addition sentence and a subtraction sentence. So what I do know is I know the total, and I know one of the add-ins. So if I know the total and I know one of the numbers, think about that number bond, how many more do I need? So I can start at 18 and I can count down by 12. I can start at 18, look, I have a 10 here and a 10 here. So I can take those 10s away and think, okay, 10 minus 10 gives me just 0. So now I have 8 minus 2. That's really easy to count down because I can say 8, 7, 6. Or I can also draw it out if I need to draw it out. There's no problem in that. How would you solve this? Talk to the person next to you. How would you solve this problem? What strategy would you use and how would you attack it? I could also use my number line. I'm going to say I have 18. I'm going to take away 12. I have 3 and 3, which gives me 6. 3 and 3, which gives me 6. How would you solve that problem? So my missing number here is 6. Curious, talk to the person next to you. How did you solve this problem? All right, so now we're in your book, and we're on, oh, shoot. Timed out. I will look at what page we're on and put it in our assignment. We are on chapter 1, lesson 11. So we're just continuing where we were yesterday. And we have these explore and explain. So what I want you to do, I think we're just going to solve these. Oh, that didn't help. Oh, okay. So how would you solve these? We have 4. Once again, let me go back to my whiteboard or my notebook right now. We have 4 plus blank equals 9. Now we can go back to our part whole that we did yesterday. And our whole is 9 and our part is 4. But even when I see that, I know there's a related subtraction fact that I can use. Because I know the total, I know one of the add-ins, and I'm trying to find the other add-in. So remember, this is what we kind of did yesterday. If I took that out, 9 minus 4 would be whatever goes here. Well, we should know this related addition fact. This is just, if we don't know this related addition fact, then we need our related subtraction fact. Then we need to make sure we're practicing our basic facts at home. I can start at 9 and I can count down. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. I can use a number line. Use a number line this time. I'm trying to show lots of different strategies. Once again, what strategy? I'm going to do that open number line. What strategy would you use? Talk to the person at your house. What strategy would you use? And we'll start at 9. I gotta go 4 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know that 5 goes in there. So I'm missing. Add in would be 5. Now what I want you to do is do the rest of these and work them out just kind of like I did. Think about the related subtraction facts. And talk to the person with you of how would you solve these? What strategy are you using? And then ask them, what strategy would they use to solve? What strategy would they use to solve? All right. So we say you can use, I was looking at C show. You can use a related fact to help you find a missing add-in. That missing add-in is a vocabulary word. Yesterday we talked about related fact. Today we're talking about missing add-in. Remember, 2 numbers, 2 digits that we add together are called add-ins. So if one's not there, it's missing, which makes it a missing add-in. A missing add-in. So it says, find the missing add-in, draw that many dots on the domino. Go ahead and work those out. You can always pause the video. I'm going to kind of go a little fast. Pause the video. Find the missing add-in, draw that many dots on the domino. Go ahead and work that one out. And now you're on your homework. You're on my own. This is page, I do have this in the homework already. And it is Go to classwork. Remember, go to classwork. Page 78 and 79. Page 78 and 79. This is going to be page 78 and 79. I'm going to do all of these problems. All of these problems. And think about our missing add-ins. That's what you're trying to figure out, our missing add-ins. Okay? Let me get to our classwork page so I can kind of read to you what I have put on here for today. It says, be sure to go to the subtraction topic to find your video for today's math lesson. It is named Wednesday 9/9/20 math resource. In that section, you'll find your video, a homework check based on last night's homework, and an entrance ticket that I'd like for you to complete before you watch the video. Homework is posted under the homework topic. Also, don't forget to go to the daily check-in spot and let me know how you're feeling today. Okay? Good luck with all this, and I will see you on Thursday.